I'm gonna teach you a unique recipe to make your Christmas even more special. One that I'm sure everyone will love. It's a delicious and super easy to make French toast. But this French toast will be a little different, yet it will be absolutely delicious. For this recipe, I'm using a large baguette. I'll slice it into pieces about 2 fingers thick. But you can also use any bread you have at home. Have you ever thought about making this for your Christmas dinner? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Now let's start with 3 eggs. Whisk them well. In another bowl, add 1 cup of milk, 7 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together. Next, take each slice of bread and dip it first into the milk mixture, letting the excess drip off, and then into the eggs. Always remember to shake off the excess. Then place the slices on a tray or plate. Now it's time to fry them. In a pan, I added about 4 fingers worth of oil. Make sure the oil is really hot. Fry both sides of the bread until they're golden brown. Once one side is golden, just flip it over. And it's done. Remove the excess oil and place the slices on a plate lined with paper towels. For the topping, we'll need 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Just mix them together. Now coat each piece well on all sides and shake off the excess. This French toast is absolutely amazing. Crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's a traditional recipe that's a must for your Christmas dinner. Look how soft this French toast is. It's just too good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a like to show your support and share this video. God bless you all and see you next time. Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas.